North Dakota, a state often overlooked, holds a secret. Nestled in the heart of the Midwest, this state is a treasure trove of natural beauty waiting to be discovered. It is a place of immense natural beauty. From the rugged Badlands to the serene lakes, North Dakota offers a diverse range of landscapes that captivate the soul. The sunsets here paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, reflecting off the tranquil waters and creating a scene of unparalleled beauty. From wide-open plains to dense forests, North Dakota's landscapes are breathtaking. The prairies stretch out endlessly, dotted with vibrant wildflowers that sway gently in the breeze. The forests are dense and lush, with sunlight filtering through the canopy, creating a magical play of light and shadow. The state is a sanctuary for diverse wildlife. Herds of bison roam freely across the plains, a sight that harks back to a time when these majestic creatures dominated the landscape. Deer can be seen in forest clearings, and flocks of birds take to the skies over the wetlands, creating a symphony of natural sounds. It is a place where one can reconnect with nature. Whether you're hiking through the wilderness, setting up camp in a serene forest, or simply walking along a nature trail, North Dakota offers countless opportunities to immerse yourself in the great outdoors. The tranquility of the surroundings allows you to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and find peace in nature. North Dakota's beauty is often subtle. It's in the delicate petals of wildflowers in a meadow, the gentle flow of a quiet stream through a forest, and the ethereal morning mist that blankets the prairie. These small, often overlooked details come together to create a landscape that is both serene and awe-inspiring. It reveals itself slowly to those who take the time to explore. Hidden waterfalls, calm rivers perfect for kayaking, and trails that lead through dense forests are just some of the treasures that await those who venture off the beaten path. Each discovery adds to the sense of wonder and appreciation for this beautiful state. The peace and quiet of the prairie are captivating. As the sun sets over the tall grass, casting long shadows and bathing the landscape in a golden glow, a sense of calm and tranquility envelops you. The open fields, dotted with wildflowers, stretch out under a clear blue sky, offering a perfect escape from the chaos of modern life. The sight of a soaring eagle is awe-inspiring. These magnificent birds, with their powerful wings and keen eyesight, symbolize freedom and strength. Watching an eagle glide effortlessly through the sky or perch majestically on a tree is a reminder of the wild beauty that North Dakota has to offer. North Dakota's natural wonders leave a lasting impression. From the breathtaking views of Theodore Roosevelt National Park to the rugged beauty of the Badlands and the stunning sunsets over the plains, this state is a hidden gem of natural wonder. Each visit leaves you with memories that linger long after you've left, calling you back to explore more of its unspoiled beauty. The Great Plains dominate North Dakota's landscape. These vast expanses of land are a defining feature of the region, stretching out in every direction, creating a seemingly endless horizon. The sheer scale of these grasslands is awe-inspiring, and they play a crucial role in the ecosystem, supporting a diverse range of flora and fauna. These vast grasslands stretch as far as the eye can see. They are a living tapestry, woven with countless shades of green, each blade of grass contributing to the overall beauty of the landscape. The plains are not just a sight to behold, they are a vital part of the environment, providing habitat for numerous species and playing a key role in the carbon cycle. The plains are a sea of green, rippling in the wind. The gentle breeze creates waves across the grasslands, a mesmerizing dance of nature. This movement is not just visually stunning, it also helps to disperse seeds and pollen, ensuring the continued growth and health of the ecosystem. The wind carries with it the whispers of the plains, a reminder of the natural forces at work. They are a testament to the power and beauty of nature. The untouched beauty of the Great Plains is a reminder of the Earth's natural wonders, unspoiled by human intervention. These landscapes have remained largely unchanged for centuries, offering a glimpse into the past and a sanctuary for wildlife. The plains are a living museum showcasing the resilience and majesty of nature. The plains are dotted with rolling hills. These gentle elevations break the monotony of the flatlands, adding depth and character to the landscape. The hills are home to unique plant species and provide vantage points for predators and prey alike. They are natural landmarks, guiding travelers and offering a sense of direction in the vast expanse of the plains. These hills provide stunning panoramic views. From their summits one can see the full expanse of the Great Plains, a breathtaking sight that stretches to the horizon. The views from these hilltops are a reward for those who venture to climb them, offering a perspective that is both humbling and inspiring. The vastness of the plains is truly appreciated from these elevated vantage points. The changing seasons paint the plains in vibrant colors. Each season brings its own palette, transforming the landscape in a continuous cycle of renewal. Spring brings fresh greens and blooming wildflowers, while summer deepens the greens and fills the air with the hum of insects. Autumn sets the plains ablaze with golden hues, and winter blankets the land in a serene layer of snow. From the lush greens of summer to the golden hues of fall, the plains are ever-changing. This dynamic environment is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. Each season brings new challenges and opportunities for the flora and fauna that call the plains home. The ever-changing colors and textures of the grasslands are a visual symphony, celebrating the beauty and diversity of life on the Great Plains. While North Dakota is known for its plains, it also harbors hidden forests. These forests are a contrast to the open grasslands. They offer a sense of mystery and tranquility. The trees stand tall, their leaves whispering in the wind. Some of these forests are home to ancient trees. These trees have stood for centuries, witnessing the changing seasons. The forest floor is carpeted with soft moss and fallen leaves. The air is fresh and invigorating. Rivers and streams crisscross North Dakota. These waterways are vital to the state's ecosystem. They provide water for wildlife and humans alike. The Missouri River is the largest river in North Dakota. It flows through the heart of the state. The rivers are home to a variety of fish and other aquatic life. They also attract a wide array of birds. The sound of rushing water is a constant reminder of nature's power. Section 5. Bison, Kings of the Prairie. No animal is more iconic to North Dakota than the bison. These majestic creatures once roamed the plains in vast numbers. They are a symbol of the state's wild spirit. Bison are massive animals, with males weighing up to 2,000 pounds. They are herbivores, grazing on the grasses of the plains. Seeing a bison herd thundering across the prairie is an unforgettable experience. Section 6. Prairie dogs, architects of the underground. Prairie dogs are small, burrowing rodents that play a crucial role in the prairie ecosystem. They are highly social animals, living in large colonies called towns. These towns can cover acres of land. Prairie dogs are considered a keystone species. Their burrows provide homes for other animals, and their grazing habits benefit the prairie ecosystem. Their playful antics are a delight to observe. Section 7. Eagles, soaring majesty in the North Dakota sky. Bald eagles are a common sight in North Dakota. These magnificent birds of prey command attention with their size and grace. They have a wingspan of up to 8 feet. They soar effortlessly on the wind currents. Bald eagles are opportunistic feeders. They primarily eat fish, which they snatch from the water with their powerful talons. Seeing a bald eagle soaring overhead is a truly awe-inspiring experience. Section 8. Protecting the treasures of North Dakota. North Dakota's natural beauty is a treasure worth protecting. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving this natural heritage. National parks and wildlife refuges protect important habitats. Sustainable land management practices help to ensure the health of the prairies and forests. Education and awareness are essential to fostering a sense of stewardship for these natural wonders. Section 9. A call to action: preserve North Dakota's natural legacy. North Dakota is a land of breathtaking beauty, where vast plains meet rolling hills and pristine rivers carved through ancient forests. This natural splendor is not just a backdrop to our lives, it is an integral part of our heritage and identity. North Dakota's natural beauty is a gift. It is a gift that has been passed down through generations, a testament to the enduring power of nature. From the majestic bison roaming the plains to the delicate wildflowers that bloom in the spring, every element of this landscape tells a story of resilience and renewal. It is a gift that we must cherish and protect for future generations. Imagine a world where our children and grandchildren can hike the same trails, breathe the same fresh air, and marvel at the same stunning vistas that we do today. This vision can only become a reality if we take action now. By appreciating and respecting nature, we can ensure that these treasures endure. Simple acts of conservation like reducing waste, protecting wildlife habitats, and supporting sustainable practices can make a significant difference. Every effort counts, no matter how small. Let us all do our part to preserve North Dakota's natural legacy. Join local conservation groups, participate in community cleanup events, and educate others about the importance of environmental stewardship. Together, we can create a ripple effect that spreads far and wide. Let us work together to ensure that the beauty of North Dakota's nature and wildlife continues to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. Our collective efforts today will shape the future of our environment, ensuring that North Dakota remains a place of natural wonder and tranquility for all to enjoy.